With breaking news just a short time ago, White House releasing a new plan to fight the coronavirus and the Omicron variant.
This says the U.S. joined about 24 other countries with a confirmed case of Omicron. A patient in California tested positive. CBS News' John Diaz joins us live from JFK Airport with more. John?
Chris and Mary, the White House sending out a note about an hour ago ahead of President Joe Biden's scheduled formal announcement about his new plan. In that note, they gave us an inside look at what is expected to be a part of his plan. D.C. officials saying that he is going to try and avoid shutting down airports, lockdowns at airports like here at JFK Airport, and schools all across the entire country. They say that in his plan, he will be setting up what they're calling rapid response teams to help battle rising cases. But primarily, though, he will be focusing on more widespread vaccinations and testing. It was a prediction experts in America were warning about since the Omicron variant was first detected overseas. It was bound to come here.
We knew that it was just a matter of time.
And now America's first person who tested positive for the new variant in San Francisco, California, is quarantining.
All close contacts thus far have tested negative.
We know the patient is between 18 and 49 years old, landed in the U.S. from South Africa November 22nd, developed mild symptoms Thanksgiving Day, and then tested positive 4 days later. The lab here confirmed it was Omicron. This person was fully vaccinated, but did not yet have a booster. And it may not just be California. We've learned the CDC is reviewing more potential Omicron cases in several other states.
What is concerning you about Omicron right now?
Not knowing enough.
Some local doctors have seen an increase this week in positive COVID cases among patients, but say don't panic, rather be proactive.
Wearing the right mask the right way, being very selective of crowds and large gatherings, trying to stay around other vaccinated people.
This morning, the White House has announced a new plan to fight the coronavirus and the emerging variants. Part of that plan includes requiring international air passengers to test negative within 24 hours of their travel to the U.S., even if vaccinated. The mask mandate for public transportation that was set to end in January is also being extended to March 18th. The president's plan also includes a push for all adults to get a booster, expanding availability at pharmacies. FEMA will also be setting up family vaccination clinics to get more children vaccinated and keep schools open. Here in New York City, officials aren't making any new recommendations yet.
We will, of course, keep New Yorkers posted as the science is elucidated, but right now it's too early to draw very many conclusions.
Now, most experts are continuing to say that vaccines will offer some sort of protection against this new variant. Meanwhile, the World Health Organization says that it expects to have some new data on all that, not within a few weeks, but rather within a few days. We're live this morning from JFK Airport. John Diaz, CBS 2 News.
John, thank you.